Welcome to part 12 in this module on leading change. We're going to be talking about the 7th of 8 principles in Kotter's leading change model, which is called sustaining momentum. So we have a sense of urgency, we have a guiding coalition or change team, we have a strategic vision and approach, we've enlisted and engaged people with communication, we've enabled them for action by giving them the resources they need and removing barriers, we've generated some initial short-term wins, and now we need to sustain that momentum. So what does it look like to sustain momentum? It really just basically means that we make sure that we continue to make progress toward our end change goal. Make sure we continue to make progress and that people see and feel and experience that progress. Because as we all know, when we start to lose momentum, things slow down and they may eventually come to a stop and we don't accomplish what we wanted to. So we need to make sure things continue to move forward and upward in a positive way. How do we sustain momentum? This is really a continuous process here that I'm going to talk about, and it can start and end anywhere. It doesn't really start and end anywhere necessarily, but it might make the most sense to actually say we start in the planning stage of, okay, what are we trying to achieve and who's going to do what, when, where, right? So we have a plan for what we need to do to accomplish this change. So we set some goals and actions, and then we start doing those things, right? We do what we had planned, and then after we do those things, we check and evaluate, how did it go? Were we successful? What were the results? What went well and what didn't? And from that evaluation, then we learn and we make some improvements. We act on that evaluation and we make some improvements of how we do things and let it affect our goals and our actions of how we're going to do things in the future, which then starts the cycle over again, right? And we're doing something slightly different, slightly new, because we're learning, we're evaluating, learning, and improving as we go. And if we continue to evaluate, learn, and adapt, we should continue to make progress and better progress over time, which sustains our momentum over time. Back to our case study example, we talked about Joe successfully getting a short-term win of getting his visa under the foundation, and we celebrate, we're excited. And then comes the first month of him being under the foundation, and he does his first work report, and the foundation says, no, we don't like it, it was terrible, he didn't do this work report correct. So we check and evaluate how Joe did in his work report, and we learned it didn't work out well. It was missing. It didn't have enough photos, didn't have enough descriptions of what he was doing and where and with whom. So we make some improvements. We learn from that evaluation. We make some improvements, and we change our plans and processes, and we say, okay, Joe, going forward, it looks like we need you to be taking pictures 2 or 3 times a week of what you're doing, and probably on a weekly basis, write down a summary of what you were doing in those pictures, and it'll make the monthly reporting a lot easier. And so we change our plans because we evaluated and made some improvements. And then next month, Joe tries his work permit report again for his foundation, and we get feedback that says, oh, this is so much better, great job. And we've continued to grow the momentum that, hey, this could work. Working under this foundation could work. That's an example of ways we can check and evaluate and adapt our plans in order to make sure that we're continuing to make progress and sustain momentum.